How to fix unable to start Microsoft 365 and Office error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Another simple method to fix unable to start Microsoft 365 and Office error is to run automatic repair option. Bugged cache files might cause Office apps to malfunction. To address this, you should access appropriate sections and remove them. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.